Welcome to eZee's video tutorials. In this video, we will learn how to create package deals in the eZee's reservation system. Let's quickly log in to eZee's reservation. Upon logging in, we are now redirected to this page. Let's select packages from the options available in the menu here. Once we are redirected to the package screen, we can see the different types of the packages, which we can configure and run on the booking engine page, to offer the discounted rates to the booker. Let us see how we can create a pay and stay deal packages, by clicking on this option. Here are all the details which we need to fill in to define the package. The one with the asterisk sign are the mandatory fields and cannot be skipped. Starting with the package name, let us name the package as Special Offer. Keep a note that this name will appear on your website booking engine's booking page, where the name of the rate plan appears. Moving further, in the description box, we can write a brief description of the package offer. Let's say flat 20% off on the total booking amount. In the booking date calendar, we have to select the dates for which the package should be bookable. Let us select the dates till May 2020 here. Sell date is an optional field using which we can restrict the sale of the package. We can define the dates here on which the package is sellable. For example, if we select the from date as 13th of April 2020, the package will be sellable from this date. So, if a booker visits your booking engine before 13th of April 2020, he or she will not be able to avail the package discount. Moving ahead, we have to define particulars for the pay and stay deal. This package allows you to offer a complimentary night. Let's say if the guest selects for a minimum 3 nights stay, he will get a complimentary night, which means the guest has to pay for 2 nights, and claim 1 night stay as a discount. In the first box, enter the number of nights for which the guest has to pay. Let's say 2 nights. In the second box, enter the number of nights to be offered in this package. Let's say 3. In the third box, enter the minimum number of nights to be booked for availing the benefits of this package. Let's enter 3 here. The above condition will make this deal applicable to the bookings made for 3 nights or more, where the guest will have to pay for 2 nights, and 1 night stay will be offered as complimentary. Followed by this, we have to select all the rate plans to which the package should be applicable. We can also select the business source for which the package is to be applied. This works in case you have more than one business source created in the system. Through the options available in the other restrictions, we can restrict the visibility of the package as mentioned in each option. The special condition and special highlighted text let us enter some additional remarks in textual format to be shown in the package detail on the booking engine page. After selecting all the particulars, click on the Create button to save the package. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked the video, please click on the like button. Or if you would like to share your valuable feedback, please write it on email address cm@ezeetechnosis.com.